everyone, welcome back to my channel Code with Hafiz, and today I'm going to show you how to add view notifications or view toast notifications to your Laravel project. So let's start, guys. Open your browser and search for v-toaster and click on this first link. Now to add this package, we just have to use this yarn command. So copy this one and open a command prompt window. So in here first we have to navigate to our project folder. So cd //vam 64 /www/laravel view and paste the command and press enter. So guys, it has been successfully installed. Now the next part is to add it in our app.js file. So open your project in a text editor, and before that, guys, let's copy from here to here. We are already importing our view, so don't copy that one. Well, in here let's go to resources, views, or not views, guys, JS, app.js, and in here after our router let's paste our code. And that's all, guys. That's all for setting up view toaster in Laravel project. Now to check if it works, let's get back to the browser and copy this message. Now let's get back to our text editor and open our components and welcome component. Let's paste it first in this mounted method because to check if it works. So let's get back to our command prompt window and run our yarn run watch to compile all our changes. So guys, all the changes have been compiled successfully. Now let's get back to our browser, and in here let's hard reload, and you can see the message is showing, which means our package is working just fine. So let's add it to all the functionalities in our project. So let's get back to our text editor and let's cut this code from here. Let's first open our create component, and we want to add it after this redirect, so paste it. And for the message, let's say employee added successfully. That's all. After that, let's add it also to this edit component, and in here we also want to add it after this redirect, so paste it. And for the message, let's say employee updated successfully. That's all. Well, now let's check it and see how it works. So let's refresh, and let's first create an employee. So for this one, let's say new employee, and for the position, let's say new position, and for the email, let's say new email at app.com. and now let's say create. Well, you can see employee added successfully. Now let's edit this employee, so click on edit, and in here let's say updated and say update. You can see employee updated successfully. So guys, this was everything about this video, and now you know how to add view toast notifications to your Laravel project. So I hope you enjoyed watching the video, and if you like the video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to not miss any updates from my channel. So see you guys in the next video.